G'day guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to take the car out to the Napier monthly classic car meet and have a look out there. I haven't been out there for a few months. What I need to do though first is quickly check the oil and water and then go and get some gas, and then we'll head out there. Right. The good news is I've noticed it hasn't been leaking as much coolant down and behind the thermostat housing since I just put silicone on a gasket maker because I tore the gasket. Yeah, it's just a tiny little drip that comes down the bottom, so maybe it's started to seat itself after some heat cycles. I actually ended up reflushing the coolant again, and it was crystal clear. There's absolutely no sediment or rusty water in there. I think the bulk of the problem was it was coming from the heater core, because that was full of sediment, dirty water, and it was just probably just continually circulating. So yeah, since that's been disconnected, the coolant is mint. Oh, there's plenty of coolant in there. And just check the oil. Oh yeah, cool, just below the full mark. No worries. Right, well, we'll just pull into the gas station and we'll get some gas. We're running on fumes here. Right, well, good thing that we stopped to get some gas, because it's just about on E, and I don't think we would have got out to Napier and back on that. So we'll get some gas, and I'll put in some upper cylinder lubricant as well. I don't know if the valves on this, or the valve seats on this engine have been hardened, so I don't know the history on it, but I like to stick in some upper cylinder lubricant just to be on the safe side, just for some insurance. Right, well, we're just about there. Such a nice day today. It's the sun's quite low though, and it's about 9:15 in the morning. Yeah, it's a nice mild day today. And a nice Falcon GT station wagon pass us on the way out. Looks like he's heading to the show. So the car's run really well. It's running really cool. Well below the normal mark. So that's really good. I always end up coming here late, like it starts at 9 and we always end up getting here about 20 past or 9:30, hopefully even get parked. Oh, there's heaps of people here. Oh, that's a nice little escort. Nice. Might struggle to get a park, eh? Yeah, it's a nice Singer Vogue there. That's awesome, eh?
So you can set a big screen TV and petrol wedding, you know.
Yeah.
It's important. Hang on, there's racing.
They're top tier shootouters as well.
Yeah, it's a Mark IV Singer Vogue. It's a Singer version of the Hillman. Cool little Volkswagen Beetle there. Nice. So that's a Morris 1100. Yeah. Quite cool little cars. This is awesome. It's got a clear coat over the patina. It's awesome. Nice. Blazing. It's just absolutely packed here today because it's King's birthday weekend here in New Zealand, so lots of people out, lots of cars here. It's the Rotary section. Nice. It's a Mazda. Mazda Familia. What year is this? 1974 Mazda Familia. I used to own a 1993 Mazda Familia. That's pretty cool. There's two of them. Oh, remember when these were around? All over the road. It might be like a 1978 Corolla. Blimmin' heck. These used to be everywhere. 1974 Hillman Avenger. Awesome. I really like Avengers. Wouldn't mind owning an Avenger. If I ever sold the Superminx, I think I'd get an Avenger. They're just cool cars. Mark II Escort. Somewhat lowered. And probably not factory specifications. Here's the Superminx. Squeezed into the corner because there's literally nowhere to park. Yeah, nice.
Yeah, I should say yeah.
It's a Zephyr 6. It's quite a cool car.
I did it.
Nice Z28 Camaro. Yeah, I've seen this thing before, Ford Ranchero wagon. This is really cool. I got talking to the guy, it would have been late last year when I was out here, and he brought it back from America. They bought it and were travelling around the States in it. It's 1959. It's just awesome. It's just all original paintwork. XA Fairmont. I used to own an XB Fairmont. It's the next model up from this V8 302 Windsor engine. Yeah, probably should have held on to it. It's worth an absolute fortune now. Mine was like a champagne colour. Yeah. Anyway, that's when they were like cheap as chips. Now they're, I don't know what this thing would be worth now, $60,000, $80,000, something like that. Yeah, Ford Capri. As you don't see these around, Ford Capri Sport. 1983. This is a Singer Vogue again. Some nice MG quite like the old MGs. I was very tempted. I was considering buying one at one point, but yeah, they're getting a bit expensive, so it's a nice old Jag XJ.
Yeah, oh no.
1989 Corvette. I like these little Mazdas, eh? Like a 323 Mazda, 1984. You don't see many of these around either. Okay. It's this thing, a Nissan Skyline GTS. An XA Falcon Coupe. Nice. Corvette. 1982 Corvette.
Straight 6-cylinder with a free flow.
Holden Premier. Nice. Here's that 1984. Because they were the higher spec Holdens, more luxurious for their time. These are awesome cars. 1973 Holden Toronto. Oh, it's the shitbox edition again. '61 Ford Thunderbird. Awesome. Very cool car. Here's the RX-8. And 67 Ford Mustang. Studebaker Hawk. 1961. I've just met the owner of that Mark IV Singer Vogue. Nice guy. Yeah, it's mint. That's really nice. It's nice to catch up with them. Yeah, okay guys, well I'm going to head home now. So yeah, it was good to come out here. There's heaps of cars on this public holiday weekend that we're having here at the moment, but yeah, really good turnout. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.